Hello friends, today let's make the Domino's style burger pizza or pizza burger at home, and the vegetarian one they will be tasting very good and very easy to make. Let us see this easy recipe. First heat a pan and add just 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Let it heat. Once the oil has heated, add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and a tiny pinch of salt and mix this well and add paneer cubes. I have taken 2 tablespoons of tiny cubes of paneer. Saute this so that they will get some taste and flavor. I don't have to cook the paneer, just coat it with the oil and spices. Let's take this out in plate again. Next I am going to saute some veggies. So I have taken 1 teaspoon of butter. Let the butter melt a bit. Add 2 pieces of finely chopped garlic. And I have taken 1/4 cup each of the onion and the 3 bell peppers. I am adding those here. You can use any vegetables of your choice like grated carrot or sweet corn, olives, etc. Saute a bit. Now do not add any salt here, otherwise the vegetables will start releasing water. Just cook a little so that the vegetables become more crunchy. And now let's take it out. Now once these slightly cool down, I am adding seasoning here. So I am adding 1 tablespoon of pizza seasoning, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Mix them. Half a teaspoon of pizza seasoning mix and chili flakes as per taste. Also I am adding few diced cheese. This is a mix of cheddar and mozzarella. Mix them well. And our filling is ready now. Let's move ahead with the burger buns now. So here I have burger buns. I have taken 2 right now. The filling that we have prepared will suffice for 4 burgers. Cut this into 2. The other one also. Now on the top part I am applying mayonnaise. This is the top part. If you have burger mayo, you can apply that. And now on the lower part of the bun, let's add this vegetable filling which we have prepared. 1/4 of the total filling I am adding into one burger. Spread this evenly and now place 5 to 6 pieces of the sauteed paneer on this. Add the diced cheese, pizza seasoning, chili flakes. Cover this. Now in case you want to make it more cheesy, in the base here you can start with some cheese layer first, so it will become more cheesy. And now add the filling. Place the sauteed paneer cubes, diced cheese. Cheese quantity you can adjust how much you want. Pizza seasoning, chili flakes, and let's cover this one as well. Now on the top surface again I am going to place some cheese, but not the diced cheese now. So I am going to grate a cheese cube here. Pizza seasoning and chili flakes. And now you can either cook this in oven, preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for about 10 minutes, or I am showing you how to do it in pan. So let us move to the heated pan now. Very lightly heated pan. Now on a moderately heated pan, place the burger buns carefully. Keep the heat very low, and for the steam baking effect, just add few drops of water in the pan but away from the buns. Cover this now and let it cook till the cheese melts, which will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Let's check after 5 minutes. This seems to be perfectly done. So let us take them out now. You can see how nicely the pizza has got baked even in pan. The burger pizza I mean. The cheesy burgers are ready friends. You can see they are looking so tempting. Let's cut and see the yummy cheesy burger with lot of veggies and paneer cubes. And here are our other 2 burgers which are from oven. So you can see in pan also they are done quite well. Let's slice this also. We have to cut this also and see. So perfectly done pizza burger you can see. So enjoy this recipe, friends. Do try, and you can make variations. This is as it is a fusion recipe, and so nothing standard about it. You can do variation as per your liking, as per availability, but do try them and share your feedback. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. See you again with more exciting recipes. Bye for now.